Hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers. Welcome to day 7 of my flashcard challenge. This is what we went through the last few days. This is Bu, De, Shi, Tsai. And today we're looking for Yo. The character we're looking for is Yo. So I'm going to go through this. After that, we'll count and try to see how many flashcards we remember. As I remember yesterday, we had a total of something like 60 something. When we reach 80, I'll be really pleased with that. So let's start. This is Tien. Remember, we're looking for Yo. Tien, Men, Shui, Ping. I got it wrong. Xiao, Shao, Xia, Ji, Ma, Bei, Me, Ma, Ren, Wu, Tsai, La, Yu, Tong, Men, Pian, Shu, Wei, Shui, Liang, Nu, Zhong, Fei, Mei, Cong, Apa, I got this one wrong, Sheng, San, Ke, Lai, Dian, Da, Kan, Sheng, Zhang, almost got it correct today, Che, She, Chi, Fei, Chi, Kan, Yo. So this is the character we've been looking for today. We're just going to put it aside to join the rest of these flashcards here. So let's continue and see Chi, A, Si, Ming, Leo, Yuan, Pa, Sho, Bu. Sorry, I got this one wrong. Shua, Ta, Da, De. Oh, sorry, I got it wrong. This is Ta, Wo, Chu, Ni, Do, Duo, Do, Ba, Si, Xiao, Yi, Ho, Shi, Hui, Jin, Zuo, Ming, Xie, Chu, Lao. This is Lao Shi. If you watch most of my videos, I always mistake this character with the other character. This is Shi. Wu, Dong, Wen, Jiu, Ge, Wan, Ban, Ge. I should always remember this one. It's a character, it looks familiar. I did practice on it yesterday. Jiu, Niu, Yu, Jia, Shang, Mei. Yes, I got this one. This is part of Mei. Gua means America. So I came across, I was practicing some countries, and I remember Japan and America. So those are the current countries I remember. So today I got it correct. So let's put it here. It seems like there's some progress. We got more cards correct today. Geo, Mu, Ta, Ye. Oh, sorry, I got it wrong. Gong. Got it correct today. This is Yang, Niao, An. Oh, this is how, I don't know why I got it wrong, because B, C, Shan, Lai, Tsai, and Yue. So these are the two characters I should have got correct, and it's my fault. And these are the few characters I need to practice on. But as we are going through through our decks to make sure that we get the characters correct, we'll continue building up this. So before let's count how many I got correct today. I'm hoping that it's more than 65. So we got 63 flashcards. So 50, Bu, Da, Shi, Tsai, Wo. So we got 68 flashcards that I know at the top of my head. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch our tomorrow's challenge video. And our word of the day tomorrow is cha. Remember, we have done yo, bu, da, shi, tsai. So these are here on the side. Tomorrow we're planning to add another character, and I used another app to practice my channel, to practice the flashcards today. Like I said, that we got 2 extra cards correct that I did come across during my reading during the course of yesterday after our video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also like the video.